It's time for London Design Festival again, and weird and wonderful sights are popping up all over the capital. From Earls Court to Borough Market, the world's leading designers are vying for our attention. Taking place at the same time as London Fashion Week, both events seem to have sustainability as a strong theme, and the 100% design show at Earls Court was no exception. One of this year's standouts was the 100% Norway exhibit, which showcased Norwegian designers and their work inside a modern interpretation of a traditional Norwegian structure.
The structure is designed by Stokke Astad, which is a very fantastic up-and-coming young Norwegian design team. And we're really pleased with it this year. What they've done is they've based the stand on a traditional Norwegian structure.
It was important to have something that's fundamentally Norwegian. So we got inspiration from the gjell, or flakes as it's called, which is the structure used for drying fish. You find them all along the coast, especially in the north.
I think a key thing as well that they've done with this stand is to build it out of a new wood, a new Norwegian wood called kevene. We're really excited about this because it's incredibly sustainable wood. It's actually got potential to replace rainforest timber. It's been especially treated with bio-waste from the sugar industry, which makes it really hard-wearing and long-lasting and incredibly sustainable.
The stand featured their simple but sophisticated aesthetic, with products ranging from textiles and light fittings to ceramics. Norwegian designers have been garnering a lot of attention lately, and deservedly so, and now they are looking to rival their more famous neighbours.
It's been kind of an underdog to Sweden and Denmark. They've been a lot better at commercializing their creative values.
I think Norwegian designers has actually come of age in a way. Suddenly, I think there's a confidence that is quite new with the young designers they have. So it's a snowballing situation, really.
The Victoria and Albert Museum put on Wasted, an exhibit commissioned by Elvis and Cressy, a company dedicated to turning refuse into high design.
We hate waste in all of its forms. We reclaim industrial and commercial waste. We do it on quite a big scale. We upcycle that waste, so we build huge amounts of value into it. We sell it, and then we donate 50% of our profits to charities associated with the waste. This installation is called Wasted, and all of the materials that are here are materials that I reclaim on a regular basis. So all of my packaging is actually made from tea sacks, and that's what these walls and this roof is made from.
The Wasted project is being used by the new company Elvis and Cressy to announce their just launched line of luxury products created by artists using reclaimed industrial waste.
We first started with belts, and we did that because belts are actually relatively simple to manufacture. You don't need that much equipment to get going with belts. Then we moved into bags. But in the sense that we're building a brand, there really isn't anywhere we can't go. We're always out of space. My dining room has 1,200 kilos of fleece in it. My bedroom has about 1,000 reclaimed shoe boxes in it, so we need space. The reason why I'm interested in wastes that repeat is that you can pick a waste stream and you can create a market solution that solves that problem. And if we create an aspirational product that is about not wasting things, you know, I think someone gave us a tagline, waste not, want it.
London Fashion Week also took up the theme of sustainability, with the British Fashion Council's 7th Est Ethica show at 180 The Strand, an event designed to draw attention to the potential of ethical fashion.
Almost everyone now is addressing ethical issues in terms of trade fairs.
Est Ethica brought together 29 fashion designers and labels under one roof to highlight the wonderful creations and inventive thinking coming from ethical fashion designers today.
It serves in a way to clarify the struggle of an ethical designer, the priorities of an ethical designer, which differ enormously from the priorities of a mainstream designer. The point about recycling is that, you know, you sometimes have an amazing idea and then you just simply don't find the fabrics to do it. So it's basically the inspiration has to come from the surplus rubbish color charts, offcuts, anything that we do find. We started off customizing, just like everyone else, and then we started realizing that actually no one really talks about what the factory discards, what we call pre-consumer textile waste. Offcuts, damaged rolls of fabrics, remnants from the production, designer proofs. And so we needed to find a way to make recycling reproducible, which is what we have achieved by using pre-consumer waste. It's important for us to be seen together as a movement so that it is understood what we're trying to do.
Young designers, new materials, sustainable ways of thinking. This year's London Design Festival and Fashion Week thrilled us all with its creativity, imagination and originality.